Sri Balaji Bajrang Sweet House has significantly grown in the last 11 years, and the management has been aspiring to take it to the future by introducing Italian cuisine in the city under the banner of Desi Videsi, an Italian restaurant. The venture is focused in expanding its branches in the Twin Cities in the near future. The lineage of the Panwars continues with its third generation, Anmol Panwar, son of Sunil Panwar, and the great-grandson of Seth Ratanlal ji and Srinivas ji, takes his leap to the future of the company. His decision to start an Italian place is inspired by his generation, friends and classmates, and his interest in the sweet counter. But his vision of the food selection of the general public, leaning towards fast food, has made him design the menu with both Indian and Italian blends. Anmol looks at the industry with precision details, taking care of the quality of the raw material, presentation, and taste, which has inherited from his father's ideologies.
Myself, Anmol Panwar, and son of Sunil Panwar, and great grandson and grandson of Seth Ratanlal ji and Srinivas ji. Starting the Italian chain have inspired me through all the youngsters and my classmates, through which I have more interested in the Italian section. Nowadays, I see people leaning towards the what we call the fast food side. Youngsters and the upcoming generations are always interested in some fast food items like Italian, Chinese. But I have only concentrated on the Italian part. I am trying to bring out to the people is always of the Indian culture, both Indian culture and of Italian. That's why my restaurant name is also called Desi Videsi.
Well-experienced chefs, upgraded kitchen, and a perfectly blending atmosphere, Desi Videsi adds a new option to all food lovers of Hyderabad. The vibrant color of the place gets along with the mood of enhancing your spirits and enticing your taste buds.
मैं यहाँ पे देसी विदेशी में अभी एक वीक में थर्ड टाइम आ रहा हूँ। काठियावाड़ी पनीर रोल के बारे में इससे पहले ओनर से बात हुई थी, वो बोले थे बहुत अच्छा है, तो वो खाने के लिए वापस आया था। और यहाँ पे मैं पनीर मखनी पिज़्ज़ा भी खाया हूँ। पनीर बहुत सॉफ्ट है और चीज़ बहुत सारा डालते हैं अच्छे से, नॉर्मली ये नहीं मिलता बाहर। और पैन फ्राइड मोमोज है, बहुत अच्छे होते हैं, वो भी थोड़े वेट रहते हैं लेकिन स्पाइसी होते हैं, अच्छे होते हैं। नई चीज़ें मैं कभी नहीं खाया वो हैदराबाद में। मुझे ग्रैब से ज़्यादा पसंद देसी विदेशी है।
Desi Videsi offers a crisp and neat menu with a selection of breads, pizzas, pastas, salads, and starters. The pizzas come in a blended taste with cheddar and mozzarella cheese with a veg topping or a paneer to suit the Indian palate. The fusion is exotic and mouth-watering. Added to the menu are rolls filled with red curry and minced bread that tingles your tongue, tacos bursting with a veg mix with loads of cheese, exotic lip-smacking sandwiches with a veg mayo spread that are grilled to perfectness, fresh veg salads with olive toppings, creamy pasta with Italian spices, momos, and French fries.
My friend suggested to visit this place. So other day I came here and I tried out few items such as momos, katia roll, white pasta, and sandwiches. I would definitely recommend the white sosta and fry momos because they have the cheesiness and the extra burst in it. So I would really recommend Desi Videsi for having Italian food.
Desi Videsi invites everyone to come over to taste the new fusion foods that has been creating a buzz and enjoying the food created from his kitchen and the sweet house.
Every time I'm really focused on the outcome of the product. I must say you that you can try our items like tacos and the barbecue paneer, the fusion foods like paneer makhni and the pan fry momos, which I have been seeing while going through the north side. My father has always teased me and told me, बेटा तुम quality में ध्यान दो, तुम्हारा income वैसे ही अपने आप ठीक हो जाएगा. So I always focus on the quality. In the future, I'll be focused to expand this business throughout the city, like a new fusion of sweets combined in the Italian restaurant.